thought they came out. They came out and they tried to compete, but we have to get a better competitor. We got to get in better shape, and we got to, number one, practice and play like a champion. In this room, you got to be honest with each other. Who earned the right to call it up? It's real simple. If you want to be a champion, you got to act like a champion. You got to dress like a champion. You got to friggin' go get somebody. And I'm going to say this. Let's go jog the hell over there. Hold on. Your right hand on the way out here. So I'm going to the right. That right hand's got to come right now. You don't swing it out. Looky. Out. Bring them. Out. Your feet got to get moving, son. Everybody got me? Here we go again.
Coach Sal, you took your D-line through some work. Been 2 days now. What's your assessment?
I'm saying that we have a lot of things that we got to get better at. The basic fundamentals of football, especially up front, are striking blocks, disengaging, and going making plays. They're working hard. They're doing it, but they're not applying it all the time. So after 2 days, where are we at? We're probably a C-. I'm expecting A's. You understand me? That's what football's about. Look at my body. It ain't worth it, but I was an All-American.
Let's go.
Okay. Got the way. Yep. Come in. Everybody get in. Give me 3. Woo! Come on. Break it down. Give me 3. Woo!
3 all out.
And I want to see it. If you don't want to do it, just get the out of here. That was embarrassing.
So you going straight?
Yeah. Back feet. Let's go. Back. Give me a hand. Go, chop. Back goes off. There it is, Shay. Up here. Go. Let's go, Icky. Give me Icky. Let's go. Fast. Make a move. Sell it. In the hole. One in the hole. Back. Come on, count it first. You gotta get there, Shane. You gotta go. Taylor. Again. Pop and turn it. Pop and turn it. Get space. Create space. Come in. Coming out to the right. 3 good shots. Running your feet. Run your feet. Good. Better. Get that extension. Run your feet. The last one you didn't come short. You came in too much. Here we go, huh? Let's go, buckerboard. Buckerboard. Guys, my whole thing is I want your eyes lower than your hands. Everybody understand that? Eyes lower than their hands. When I say down, I want you guys, when he hits, you don't go down until I tell you to go down. You guys got me? 3 times out to our left. Let's go. We'll see you run your feet. Down. I just said this. Guys, you chop until I tell you to go down. I want to see you run your feet. Start over. Down. 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 Good. I'll say I wasn't All-American because I ripped your neck out. You understand what I'm telling you? Yes. And I'm telling you, I want to see it today. Get him down. Down. Run your feet. Out. Stop. How come your hands, just like I said, down here, my hands ought to be right up here on top of the thing, getting your chest here. Let's go. Start over. Hold on. Did I just not say, get your hands on top? Did I just not say it? Then do it. Out. Guys, don't play with me today. Do what I ask. Down. Run your feet. You act like you're dying. Down. Out. Good. You gotta step off that foot. You gotta press and bring your feet. You're not coming off the ball. Come on, go over. Then it's guard. Give me over. Give me a nose guard. Hey guys, stand over here and don't move. Stand over here. Sam, get out of there. I apologize. Come on. You go. You two are here. Every other way. Take your hand, hit that tackle and knock him back. Thanks. Sam. Doing outside, check.
Hey Nick, I'm gonna focus real quick.
Hey Nick, come here for a second. You know that. No, too high. Going through the motion. Okay, where we coming?
Left.
Okay. Now you see 92 here? Do you think I want him dropping? I don't want him overloading the side. I want you guys to understand the concepts, why we're doing what we're doing. You guys understand me on this? Good job. I pulled white. 91. Use your hand, get in that gap. 40 tight ends where, man? Everybody!
Right.
As we look at it, where's the tight end?
I thought I was looking at that one up there.
Okay? We're about right here.
To the left.
Now you'll hear me say, you're getting up the field, and you're going to whoop that tackle. You got me? Okay? All right? Call it up. And I'm going to tell you, Ryan had a good day. Ryan, call him up.
Yeah, Ryan. Yeah. Call it up, man. Rush me on me. Rush me on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Rush.